In a way, lighthouses are anachronisms. Today, biotech companies are attempting to patent the very stuff of life. Yet when the most enduring design of lighthouse was created, their inventors deliberately refused to patent it, in the hope that it would save lives all over the world. As the last lighthouse keepers in Britain lose their jobs next month, it's worth recalling an old morality.
So my lighthouse career came to an end in '91 when the Kinnaird was automated. The museum at that time was being spoken about, and then finally got underway, and I got made assistant manager to it. It was an Act of Parliament of 1786 that called for the code for the purposes of navigation, and the first lighthouse was sited here at Kinnaird. Thomas Smith, the lamp maker in Leith, invented a parabolic reflector lined with mirrors, and that was the first light that was installed here at Kinnaird Head. Robert Stevenson was a son-in-law of Thomas Smith, and 5 generations following then of the Stevensons became lighthouse engineers, and it is through their invention and ingenuity that we owe all that is more or less in lighthouse building throughout the world today. The only exception to the rule was Robert Louis Stevenson, and of course he became the famous poet. During their reign as engineers, I suppose the family could have made a fortune out of everything that they had invented, but it was ultimately to save and preserve life that the whole thing was done. In today's world, you wouldn't get nobody giving away knowledge or invention the way that these people did. Everything now is all what you can sell it for and what you can get. Service to produce these things that was done without thought of financial gain. It was done for the benefit of the people that was being served. In that way, I suppose we've lost something.
Still work, is it?
Still works, but we can't
The tour was telling us that lighthouse there is still operational. Apparently there's 67 lighthouses in Scotland, and they're all controlled by a computer system based in Edinburgh. Grandfather used to work. It's now decommissioned, of course. Top of the lighthouse. messy pup